Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to train Ocerra to pick up correct header information from the invoice, which includes numbers like invoice number, date, text number, PO, and amount summary. So this process is called a value-based annotation, and all the picked up values are going to be stored at the top part of the page right here. For the value-based annotation, we first need to find any incorrect or missing values. In this example, we can see that the net value is missing. So to start the annotation process, we need to select the net field by clicking on it, and then click on the correct value on your invoice, which is going to be the subtotal right here. Once you click on the value, you can see that it's picked up by the system automatically. Once the value is selected, you'll find a red Annotate button appear at the bottom of the page. If you want the system to remember the changes you've done for the invoice, click the Annotate button and wait for the annotation process to be completed. That's it.